Daddy has Jad in serious walking training camp. He's only 4 months old. 7 months and 2 weeks.
He's ready to take his first step. Jad, you ready? I think he's ready. Alright, let's let him go.
He's like, no, it's not that serious.
Jad, go. Jad, go. Jad, go.
He was doing the hula. Oh my gosh, I've been recording like that. I forgot it's not like a... One day we will laugh at this.
Jad, go.
Jad, walk. Walk, Papa.
Right there, he thought he could balance himself. I'm not holding him, he's holding himself. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
He likes to stand.
Yeah.
Mommy loves it. Forget crawling, Mommy. I want to stand. I want to walk. Too boring.
Move your feet again.
Show Mommy bouncy, bouncy. Come on.
Jumpy, 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 jumpy. Jumpy, jumpy. Jumpy, jumpy. Ooh. Ooh.
Ready? 1, 2. 1, 2. Jad, you ready? Let go. Let go. Jad, let go.
He's like, I don't think so.
Love you, Jad. Kisses. Patty cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it and pat it and mark it with a B. Put it in the oven for baby and me.
I think I started on your 20.